Yes, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. How are you all today? The aircon is so cold. I hope everyone is okay. I need to wear this one because I feel so cold. Anyway, I already have pajama, but I am feeling cold. So I need to wear this one. I hope everyone is okay. Always strong and healthy. No sickness out of danger. Anyway guys, before I go to sleep, I just want to ask how is everyone, and I just want to say have a good night sleep and see you tomorrow. How is your holiday anyway? How was your day going so far? It's already today Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah, first day of Ramadan. Today is the start of Ramadan. I think the Ramadan is until second week of March. I hope the holy month of Ramadan will be a prosperous month, and we gonna receive unexpected blessing from God or from above. And answered prayer, what we pray for the year, I hope we can receive the answered prayer. Anyway, I'm not a Muslim, I'm a Christian, but I respect the religion of other religion. I'm a born again Christian, but I'm living in the Muslim country for 2 decades because it's already 18 years. I arrived, my first time arriving here is I think 2008, September 9, 2008. So it will gonna be 18 years this coming September 9. Anyway, I hope that everyone is okay, always healthy, especially to those who is 40 and above. When we are 40 years old, our body is slowly getting weak because the internal organ became weak. That's the time that we need to watch out our diet, eat healthy food, avoid junk food, the food that is high in cholesterol, and limit the salt and the sweets. If we want to live long, we need to taking care of our health, prioritize our health. Don't forget to exercise also, so that our body and our bone will be stay stronger. Anyway guys, good night and sweet dreams everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.